Good morning, everybody. This is PillarTrading.com, and we are looking at the Emini S&P 500 Index Futures Contract. It is the chart of the day. Why? Well, let's look at what's happening. Let's look at the levels that we're coming up to. Important things happening on the ES, and it's going to affect all the other markets. So if we take a look, this is a 15-minute chart. We can see that we are coming down from lows of the flash crash down here to our most recent area of selling resistance. We can see that we are now approaching this 11.1575 mark. Okay, 11.1575 is the next area for the bulls to re-enter the market and to take this thing higher. Now this will change our weekly bias. Should this level fall, we are still biased to the long side on the ES. If this trades and falls, that means that we are coming down, and we are coming down fast on the ES. So very important level trading this week on the ES. Now, in the short term, if we zoom in a little bit, we can see that today on the ES, since last week, we've had a series of sell-offs. In that series of sell-offs, the next point to get into the market, if you were a bear, was up here at 1136.25s, 1136.50s. Now that has already traded, okay? That was right at the close of last week. That has traded. We saw a sell-off. It did bounce around down here at lows, and it has now broken through this sell point. What that means is the gap here for today is at 1134 evens. We have seen support at the next buy zone off of this move from lows to highs. We have seen support at this buy zone. We are anticipating the gap will fill. It may trigger this sell side during market hours, okay? If we get up there beforehand, watch it. This will be the next point, like I said, for those bears to get into the market. And that has a target down here at our weekly long bias. So what is setting up is a sell-off into our weekly long bias, and that weekly long bias has a target up at 1202.50s. 1202.50s is the profit target for the weekly long. So potentially a large move setting up on ES. It's going to be interesting. This little sell zone, which we sold from late last week, is looking like it's going to be tested. So on both sides of this thing, there's interesting plays. Just be aware that it is Monday, and watch out for anything out of the ordinary. So that's the play on the ES and the chart of the day, guys. If you've got any questions or comments, please email me or visit the website at www.pillartrading.com.